You're so beautiful. Lovely horsey. Look at it. Aww. Gorgeous. Come show yourself. Very nice. And it's diamond. This is a big one. This called spicy. Little pony. This is a horse farm. You can ride them in the forest mountains. It's very strange because in Thailand it's very rare to see horses. Once we saw on the beach where you can ride horses on the beach. And this one we found farm on our way to different resorts we're going to. Nice color. Aww. Pretty. Quite big area. It's a baby.
No.
Oh, this one's a mean one. If they put their ears
Yes,
back,
yes,
be careful.
yes. I need no. 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 Oh.
Kiss, 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 kiss.
คอกอันนี้จูงม้ากับคอก
Is somebody going to ride it?
Yeah, you.
Me? No.
จูงม้ากับคอก
Oh. Nice. Very nice. They're in quite good shape, aren't they? Hello?
โย
Aw. What's happening? What's happening? Just want to play. Just saying, don't go away. Stay with us.
นี่
Play with us. Mm-hmm. Oh.
yes
quite small, aren't they? Not very tall. All right, let's go.
Taking this one and just watch.
Yeah.
There's a white one. Oh,
Yeah. Look how the key.
look at it.
Need the hot.
Oh, it's so nice. Albino. Yeah, blue eyes, look. Handsome. And look how smooth they are.
เราไปดูเขาขี่มากับ
Pretty, darlings. Oh, why they cover their faces? Huh?
Flies.
Flies. And a little pony over there. Look how tiny it is. Small, 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 small baby. Small, small, small.
You work here? What? You are working here?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm trainer.
Are you trainer?
Saddles.
You train horses or people? What? You train the horses? Good conditioner.
Yeah, they looks very strong.
Good.
Good body.
Thank you.
Coffee cup.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Welcome.
Practicing riding your horses. So nice place to be. Beautiful. And there is just a river next to it. A river Kwai. Over there is a restaurant, cafe, bar. Nice sound. Them birds. Can you hear them? Yeah, nice bungalows. And place is so clean. What a wonderful place to be, eh? Everything's so green. Grass is so soft. So many different types of birds. What is this blue stuff from tree? Like a net. Why? And then something in it. Interesting. Let's go see it. Oh, look at this little coconuts. No, I don't understand why they put it as net. So quiet. Local people walking over there, growing something. Fantastic place.